In this video, I am going to show you how to add another account on WhatsApp in iPhone. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Using WhatsApp Business. Download the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store. Launch the app and agree to the terms and conditions. Before agree to the terms and conditions, read and review the terms and conditions carefully. When asked if you want to continue using the same phone number, select use a different number. Enter the OTP received on your secondary number to confirm registration. Set up your profile and business name for this second account. Step number 2. Using Dual Messenger for WhatsApp. Install the Dual Messenger for WhatsApp chat app from the App Store. Scan a QR code using another iPhone. You can get it by tapping three dots. Then tap on WhatsApp web. Desktop scan QR code. This method allows you to run multiple WhatsApp accounts concurrently. Step number 3. Using WhatsApp web. Open WhatsApp on your secondary device. Tap on the settings cog at the bottom right. Tap the arrow next to your name and select Add Account. Follow the steps to add your second account. Remember that you can't have two WhatsApp accounts on the same number, so make sure you have a second activate SIM or eSIM for the additional account. Enjoy managing your multiple WhatsApp accounts. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.